Hi guys, it's so happy to be back after vacation, just getting in the swing of things. So as you see here, I'm assessing the direction of hair growth. The upper part of the underarm, the hair grows upwards, and the lower part of the underarm, the hair grows downwards. So as you know, I'm applying my powder because with sugaring, you want the skin to stay cool and dry. The reason being is because when sweat is on the skin or moisture is on the skin, the sugar does not adhere to the hair. It just slides. And sweat is normal for your client. Some people get nervous, their temperatures begin to rise, and hence they begin to sweat. So that is why powder is so necessary for the sugaring process. So I'm spreading my powder in here. As you all know, the hair is going upwards on that upper part of the underarm. So I am going to rake downwards against that hair. The reason being is because I want to catch all of the hair in the sugar. And then I'm going to flick in a upwards motion, in which you will see here, because that is the direction of hair growth. And that is the way that I want the hair to pull out of the pore so that it is a clean pull out. Always make sure you apply pressure afterwards. I'm going back for little stubble. All right, moving on to the next spot. Now, when you rake, you want to make sure you rake at least 2 or 3 good times, because you want to make sure you're getting that sugar inside of that pore to grasp around the root of the hair for a clean, successful pull like the one you just witnessed. Now, because the underarm hair is growing downwards, I am going to rake upwards against the hair growth. Again, really pressing the sugar firmly into the skin so that it catches the hair in the sugar. And then I'm going to flick downwards because that is the way the hair grows. Again, I want it to be a clear pull out of the pore. That is why when you sugar, you pull the hair out in the direction of hair growth. Make sure you rake back when you get stuck. And there you go. Voila. All the hair is gone. Now I want you to notice how the sugar is sliding. That is because her skin is moist, okay? So that is why powder is so imperative with sugaring. Because I'm an advanced sugarer, I still know how to work with the skin in a moist state. But for beginners, it is very difficult. So powder will be your best friend, as well as cold sugar. And that is it, ladies and gentlemen. That is how you successfully do an underarm. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.